Hey guys, today I'm doing Roomba's cleaning up Cheerios.
All right, so the boys have 3 robot vacuums here on the card table, and they're gonna make a big mess with Cheerios and watch the Roombas clean it up. And hopefully none of them fall off, right, Wyatt?
Yeah.
All right.
A grass.
The grass.
What's the grass doing?
All right, you have your mess ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go.
Ooh. Okay, here we go, error number 9.
What does error number 9 mean? I think I3 got an error.
Here's one, keep going. You're too fast.
It's on too many Cheerios.
There we go.
Don't let it fall.
We can wear that to our folding Roomba page. Just empty the dustbin.
Probably full of Cheerios.
Yep, it is. There we go. Now Down's going to re-empty.
Whoa.
I thought that the i3 was going to fall. I got him.
Good catch.
He needs to re-empty. Man, now that's a lot of Cheerios.
Oh, he did well.
Judy, please. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. He's running over some guy's stuff. D-Bob's doing good. Shark doesn't fall.
Yeah, me too.
If it feels like it's gonna fall, I'm gonna catch it. So it actually doesn't fall on them and hit the sensor.
Oh, no.
There you go.
Oh,
I didn't see that coming.
D-Bot's taking a beating today. Those cliff sensors aren't working very well, are they?
Because it's on a small little thing. I'm gonna try to catch it because I actually didn't see that.
Yeah.
I need to catch them under that fall. D-Bot is working perfectly after like falling a couple times and hitting the concrete. Wow. This D-Bot is so tough.
It is tough.
Still cleaning after like a minute. You're 65 for no reason.
What is Air 65?
Something's caught in the rollers. I'm gonna see the dustbin. I think it's super good. Yeah, I'm going to read it. Sure, can I find that? Me too. D-Bot, do not fall.
All right, so that's the I-3.
I see the
Did a
shark.
good job.
I see the shark. We're going to stir him back up.
Oh, wow. All right.
Yes. I see D-Bot.
Oh, wow. Okay, D-Bot did well.
Let's start him back up. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Whoa, here goes I-3. Here he goes. Whoa. Shark is doing really good. He's not actually falling.
It's getting close, though.
Yeah. When I did the shark on the couch, it would just fall straight when I hit it.
Just a couple more to get in the corner. They can't get those last Cheerios.
65. fly again.
All right, I think they did a pretty good job. Don't you think, Wyatt? Good job, buddy.